and welcome to a brand new video. Now today I'm going on a very special photography adventure, and I'm doing so with all of my friends. So that's a lie. I am doing this photography adventure all by myself, much like many photography adventures, to be honest. It's hard to find friends that want to hike in this heat, and also friends that are into photography. I'm sure you guys go through this problem as well, and so that's why I thought today I would do a video all about how to take epic photos all by yourself. Let's do it. This is going to be a lonely but epic video. Welcome to a brand new photography episode. Now this adventure is going to be taking place in a very special location of Macau. So this photography adventure will be taking place in the last unknown location for me in Macau. I don't really know what there is there. Probably not much, but who knows? Maybe we could find gold, treasure, dinosaurs. We won't, but maybe there'll be roads and leaves. We'll just have to find out. Today we are focusing on how to take epic photos all by yourself. And it's really quite easy. All you need is a tripod and a timer, but I'll be going into the details a bit more when we reach our photo location. Now that is a little bit of an issue in itself because I have two plans. I have one image that I've always wanted to take. The question is, I don't know if it's legal, and that's an important question to know, unfortunately. And so I have plan A, which is that one, and then I also have plan B. So this is location B. If this location that I'm going to does not work, I cannot take photos there, then this is where I'll come for sunset. So best case scenario, we get an awesome photo and we explore a new area. Worst case scenario, we explore a new area, have to go to plan B, and then get an awesome photo. So either way, today is going to be a lot of fun. Alrighty, so this is officially unknown territory from now on. I am heading into the... That was a loud van. I'm heading into the unknown. The area I want to take a photo of is right here, but unfortunately right now it's blocked by fences and trees. But one plus side for sure is I see a cool temple right in front of me. Maybe we go explore it and then we'll figure out the photography later. I'm sure it'll be fine. Look how dope that temple looks. You can't even see me, I'm a silhouette, but I'ma still tell you it looks dope. I don't know if we can actually go in there, but I'm gonna go and see. The gate is open, we'll walk in. If we get screamed at by a monk, that means we skedaddle out. Let's go check it out. That is absolutely stunning. This is a really beautiful place. Gorgeous temple and an amazing view. You can actually see Macau Tower. I never knew about this temple before. This is like an area of Macau, pretty much the only area of Macau I haven't been to. I'm really glad I came today, whether or not we get a photo or not. I'm really happy to have seen this temple. I'll not overstay my welcome here, but it's very peaceful. Definitely a hidden gem. Alrighty, so this is the spot. This is the spot where I'm going to be taking photos. No more fences, no more trees. The view is insane from here. Alrighty. Well, it looks like plan B can suck my ass because this is perfect. I wasn't sure if I could get this sort of view, but as soon as you turn the corner, all the trees just go away and you're left with an insane view, and today is perfect. blue skies, some clouds. The sun should set right behind the Macau Tower from this point. It could not be more perfect. Now all we have to do is wait. And I'm here way too early. I'm here 2.5 hours before sunset. So I've got no choice but to explore the area, which is awesome. So let's do that. And then I come back to this spot. I can't believe how perfect it is. I am just taking a moment to enjoy the view. It is pretty stunning. I've never seen this view without the crowds. There's a waterfront over there that also provides somewhat of a similar view, but this is definitely very different, and it's so peaceful. When this sun sets, it's gonna be insane. It looks truly spectacular, and you're sharing it with no one. Today has just reminded me once again that going into the unknown is always worthwhile, because you always stumble across, well, things you never knew about. Woohoo! This is the spot. This is the, oh my goodness, but I almost fell. It is a stunning view. The sun is gonna set right in front of me, right in front of this little platform. It's just Macau Tower. The sun should set behind it. Nothing but water and grass around. This really is the perfect place, and that is why it is so worth, when you find a good view, just have a little walk around. This is about 10 minutes away from the bit where I was sitting and looking out to Macau Tower. That is a great spot, but this is perfect. This is the perfect composition later on when that sun sets. I'm gonna be so glad for taking those extra 10 minutes just to find the perfect angle, and hopefully no one will bother to come here, so there'll also be no crowds. So gorgeous, so gorgeous. So we got 2 hours to wait, so I'm just gonna chill for a bit, and I'll see you guys at sunset where we take this photo. I am struggling a little bit with standing for one, but two, setting up this composition. Now that the lighting is here, it seems it is not quite behind Macau Tower, and so it's very difficult for lighting respect to get the person in the middle, Macau Tower in the middle, and not look off balance because of the sun. I'm gonna have to look and try find a different location nearby quickly, because this one is just not working with the sun setting, but I don't have long. I have maybe 5 minutes. I see a little cove there which might look nice. I really want to include the Macau Tower, but just the way the sun is setting is totally off balancing the image if I stand on that platform. It's just not in the middle. The sun is not setting where I thought. So I'm gonna go try find. I'll be back. Oh my goodness. Got it. That took a while. The balance. No, I didn't get it. Okay, a little more to the left. Just like one step. I'm almost there. With the image I was trying to capture, balance was very important. I used a rock and a stick as a marker so I knew where to stand. And with each photo I took, I moved it slightly to get the perfect balance and frame. Patience is very important when you're taking photos alone, and you may look a bit crazy running back and forth from camera, but the effort is always worth it. I didn't have much time to explain what I was trying to do as I was taking the photos because I was just rushing to get that perfect lighting. But now that I've gotten it, I can take some time to give you guys some tips on if you want to do some photography by yourself. You're going to be the balance point of your image, so make sure to run back and forward to the camera and check where you are in that frame. Find some sort of waypointer to make sure you keep coming back to that. And just move it slightly and slightly. With every photo you take, you'll be closer to finding that right balance. And so for me, I wanted to balance me with the Macau Tower. So it was really important that the same amount of frame space on the left was the same as the frame space on the right. Otherwise, it wouldn't be a balanced frame. And so I had to run back and forward to get that. And I'm really happy with it. And the lighting was perfect. Half of the sun was under the mountain and half of it was still peering over. So it got that like light spilling over the rim, and it really had this nice trail over the water leading to me standing by the beach. And so I think there's a lot of leading lines and balance in this shot. A lot of it luck, a lot of it was luck, but it's just, yeah, the number one thing if you're taking a photo by yourself is just repeat. Keep checking the image, keep finding the right balance in that image. Yeah, just don't give up. And like you saw earlier there, don't be afraid to move your camera. If you go to the spot and you set up and it's just not right, then move. Find a different location, because if that's not working for you, there's no point trying to make it work. And so for me, I gave myself 5 minutes to try set up that shot before, but what I found was because of the sun setting was not in the place I thought it would be, so there would not be balance in the frame. And that's why I moved to this location, and I'm so glad that I did, because I'm really happy with how that image turned out. And yeah, it's turned out to be a lovely, lovely sunset once again. So I'm just gonna take a moment and just chill out and sit and watch the sunset.